This is Ken. Hello. Ken has always wanted to take Barbie on the drive of her life, but he's never had a vehicle to use. Oh man. So I'm gonna fix that by building a truck for Ken and Barbie. Let's get started. As you can see, we have finished the truck. We got the wheels done. I'm just using nail filler to fill some of these holes. Surprise! You could have painted or something. You should have tried harder, Ken. I don't want some dirty truck in a storage room. Like, subscribe, and follow me.